a broad overview of data analysis in 5 key steps. The first step in data analysis is to define the question that you want to answer. This step is crucial as it will guide the rest of your analysis and ensure that you are focused on the important information. The next step is to collect the data that you need to answer your question. This can include data from various sources such as surveys, databases, or web scraping. It's important to ensure that the data you collect is accurate and relevant to your question. Once you collected your data, the next step is to clean it. This step involves tasks such as handling missing data, removing outliers, and formatting the data so that it is ready for analysis. The fourth step is to analyze the data. This step involves tasks such as calculating summary statistics, identifying patterns, and building models. It's important to use the appropriate statistical methods and techniques to ensure that your analysis is accurate and meaningful. The final step is to visualize and report your findings. This step involves tasks such as creating visualizations, generating reports, and communicating your insights. It's important to make sure that your visualizations and reports are clear, accurate, and easy to understand. Make learning easy and subscribe to the Academy to part of the latest series on data analysis and data science.